Having trouble transferring your data from Android to your new iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max using the Move to iOS app? You're not alone. Many users experience the app getting stuck or failing. The primary reasons are network instability, software incompatibilities, or large data sizes. First, ensure both your Android 5 Plus and iPhone iOS 9 Plus are updated to the latest versions, preferably iOS 18.1 or later on your iPhone 17. Make sure both devices are on the same stable Wi Fi network without any VPNs or firewalls. Restart both devices. On your Android, clear the Move to iOS app's cache. If the transfer involves a large amount of data, over 100 gigabytes, it's best to transfer in smaller chunks or consider manual methods. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try resetting your Android's network settings. Some users have reported success by disabling custom Android features like Samsung's One UI during the transfer. For WhatsApp data, use WhatsApp's built-in cloud backup and restore feature instead of relying on Move to iOS. If the app consistently fails, explore alternative transfer methods like Google Drive for manual data transfer. Consider third-party apps such as AnyTrans. Another trick is to start the Move to iOS transfer in airplane mode initially. If these options don't resolve the issues, you may want to contact Apple support directly for personalized help, especially if you suspect hardware issues or software glitches that are not easily fixable. Remember to always back up your data before attempting any data transfer method.